evolutionists would say, they would say 99% of animals went extinct. If if there was a worldwide flood, you would expect saltwater animals with modern animals, with animals that went extinct in every layer. And if 99% of all animals and plants that ever lived on the earth have gone extinct, what percentage of the animals in any particular layer should be extinct animals, and what percentage should be modern animals if it was just a one-time creation recently in a flood? Well, let's go back to the Cambrian. That layer you'd expect 99 animals that you don't recognize, like trilobites, et cetera, and one modern animal to every 99 that are extinct. Same with the next layer up. That's the problem. That's what causes people confusion, because they go to any layer and say, this is extinct, this is extinct, this is extinct. Oh, this is evolution. No, that's not evolution. That's extinction. The problem is you have saltwater creatures and modern animals. The fact that the modern animals are so overwhelmed numerically by the extinct animals gives you this impression that life changed, evolution occurred. But that's not what it's really telling you. It's telling you that there was some big extinction that happened, because these animals aren't alive today.